do you want to see a AAA game inside of crypto which is a low cap gem? Well, I do, and I hope you do too, so stick around, let's do it. What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome to It's Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well out there. So what is this low cap crypto gem I'm telling you about? The game is called SIDUS right there. And if you haven't heard about it, it's a really cool game inside of crypto. I've actually done quite a lot of different reviews on loads of different crypto games in the past, and I think this is actually up there with some of the best of them. So I would say stick around if you want to see a really good crypto game. Let's not wait around, let's check it out, let's do it. So first things first, I'm just going to show you where this is in the rankings. So SIDUS right here, and it's ranked 845. And the coin price is really low, so 0.001, and the market cap is 7.6 million, so really low. And obviously if you look at the price, you know, we're really low from all-time high. So the all-time high once upon a time was 18 cents, and we're nowhere near that right now, right? So you can see that you're getting at low prices if you was to pay attention to this coin. But that said, what's so good about this project? Well, let's get into the site. So here we go guys, this is SIDUS, and you can play the game right where we are, but let's go through the actual project real quick, and I'm just going to start scrolling. You're going to see how cool this site is. Okay, so I'm scrolling now and you can see exactly what's happening. And yeah, how cool is that, right? So welcome to the SIDUS Metaverse. Cool. And yeah, it's going to guide us through. This is just the website, right? It's not even a game yet, okay? And we created a metaverse from scratch with the help of early adopters. Cool. That's what we like. Inside the game. So just going to show you inside the game now. We create the metaverse that belongs not only to developers but the community. We provide the possibility to manage your business, the SIDUS Metaverse. You play, you earn, you own. Love it. The story begins. SIDUS, it all started when the Forerunner artifact was found. Look at that. Look at this. This is cool, man. I'm just going back and forth with this, right? But this is a website, right? This is really cool for a website, right? Okay, and then look, it's giving you a bit of backstory. 3 races banded together to build the station Nudum around the ancient artifact. So this is the actual place called Nudum. So first races. So you got Ogya. This is one of the characters. You can actually see some of his characteristics right here. Then you've got Raptorion, and you can actually see the different things that he can do, so his attributes. And then you've got Voltron right here, and you can see his attributes as well. So can shield allies. So pretty good with the 3 first characters. And then you got arena battle, so 3 versus 3. So you can actually go against people. And this is the arena battle that you can do. Players compete with each other using heroes and can transfer them all over SIDUS Metaverse. Explore the Metaverse. So they have a Metaverse as well. So this is the Metaverse. So look, pretty big as a Metaverse, you can see. So each planet is a game. Okay, so very cool. So you've got a game on each one, very cool. And then each one does different things. So you can do 3rd-person shooter, space station, and then different planets. Yeah, that's really cool, right? So you've got different games inside this actual metaverse. Xena Planet. So Xena, the first mobile game inside this metaverse. So literally they've got their own mobile game inside of this as well. And look at this, right? This is so cool. Like being able to scroll and see what you can do with this in a phone. Really cool. Tembu Civilization. And yeah, it is literally scrolling. And how cool is that? This is showing you the 3rd-person shooter right here, and look at this graphics, man, really good. And I like that they've actually used loads of different devices to display this, because it's showing you that you've really thought about where you're putting your games, right? Choose your role inside this metaverse. So these are the different roles you can actually do. So you can be co-owner, local king, landlord, travel logistic, intergalactic trader, a banker, manufacturer, the boss, fortune seeker, ambassador, creator. So you've got loads of different roles you can actually be inside this metaverse. So as you can see, this is just the website, right? We haven't even gone into the game yet, and you can see the standard of the quality of what they're building is really good. I really liked how when you scroll and it's taking you through the journey, it's explaining everything to you, it's showing you different devices. I mean, that's really good right there. But obviously we want to see a game, right? So let's check it out, let's do it. This is inside the metaverse, and you can probably see the sound right now, and you've got different types of games, okay? Look at this. So we've got Xena. Okay, this is one of the characters that you can pick. And, you know, just look at these graphics, man. They're really good. Okay. Then you're at Nudum. So here you go. Nudum Station. This is a 3-on-3 battles, and yeah, look at this, man. Graphics is nice. Come on, man. You're telling me this ain't good? This is crypto games, right? So, you know, this is AAA standard, I would say, right? So let's see the 3-on-3 battle. Let's see if we can do that. So we go to lobby. So here we go. Welcome to Nadium Station. Obviously, nice little graphics right here. And yeah, let's just continue, man. Let's get in. So what you need to do here is you need to buy a hero. So you can either get it on OpenSea or buy on SIDUS Marketplace. So let's just see if we can get onto the marketplace and see what happens. NFT heroes. So let's say I wanted to buy this, right? Like that. How much is that? $72. Basically, it's $72 to start playing. It says you need a hero for full access, right? So the only thing I would say to that is maybe you should get people to be encouraged to play for free in the very beginning. You know, like with apps and games, there's a freemium model, and then obviously you can upgrade them inside of the actual metaverse, or you know, people could actually do their own commerce. You start with a free character, just because obviously there's a barrier to entry right there, okay, in terms of a user experience point of view. But yeah, still really cool. But obviously I have to stop here because I'm not buying a character right now. So this is Xena, and it's ready available, so you can get it on Google Play, PC and Mac, so pretty cool. So I opened this up on Google Play just to see what it looks like a bit. So let's have a little look at the trailer and what you can actually do. So as you can see, the game looks really nice. You can see it's really high quality of standard, and yeah, the whole metaverse thing, having different game types inside of each metaverse, and each planet is a different gameplay. I think that's really cool. So you can see how that's all going to come together, and then as you build more and more games, they can have different types of gameplay, right? So yeah, very cool idea. So the only thing I would say, which I would probably change, is I would not block people from playing the game if they don't have an NFT. So I would start them off as like a really basic character, or maybe give them a couple of tries. So for example, 3 tries, 3 deaths, right? And then you actually have to upgrade and get the actual NFT, and probably incentivize them to do that by giving them a better character, right? Come in with a really basic character. Basically, the mission when you first come out of a game is obviously to try and get people to play it, and you want early beta testers, right? So for example, me playing this right now, I'm an early beta tester, and if you play it right now, you're going to be an early beta tester. And this is where they get all their information and all their data to be able to fix things and improve upon it, right? This is the basics of UX. All I'm saying to you, Cidius team, maybe you should try and incentivize people to play it. That's all I'm saying to you. But yeah, other than that, I love everything you're doing. But obviously now we've seen all the cool bits. What about the price? Can we make really good money if this was to pick up and do really well? Let's check it out. So here we go, this is the price of the coin, and what we're going to be using to be able to project how far this might go is we're going to use the market cap. So it's currently at 7,600,000, which is absolutely tiny for crypto, but we want to compare this and benchmark this against another game, right? And another game that done really well in the last bull market was, that's right, Axie Infinity, okay? And this is ranked 60, and currently at a market cap of 739, but when a bull market scenario happened, it went crazy, okay? So we had 9.6 billion in market cap, what that went to. So we need to get our coin right here, Cidius, to 9.6 billion market cap. And what price would we get if we did that? So let's quickly do a calculation. So if we was to do 7.6 times by 1,270, that gives us 9,652,000, and I'm calculating in millions, by the way, so it's not just random 7.6, it's 7.6 million, and that equals 9.6 billion, okay? And that is exactly the same as, there you go, Axie Infinity, 9.6 billion. So what does that mean? That means you could 1,270x your money with Cidius, okay? So what do you think of that? Absolute crazy gains could be had with this project. I mean, look at the quality of it. It does look really good, and you can see the market cap on it is really low. I personally think this is severely undervalued, and I think if that metaverse gaming in crypto picks back up, I think this could definitely benefit from it. Because if you look at some of the other competitors with it, and we're talking about low cap gems competitors, then this is just far superior in terms of quality. And obviously you've got loads of pros, some cons as well, in terms of not being able to play the game straight away. But I think they can iron all of that out, and obviously when the next bull run happens, I think this could definitely benefit. If you like these type of videos, then consider subscribing to the channel, because what I do, I review early altcoin gems. I'm gonna try and find the good ones from the bad ones, and then I'll present them to you. So if you like that mission and you want to see me and you at the top, then subscribe to the channel. And on that note about talking about altcoin gems, you should check out this coin right here and this coin right here, because these ones are also really, really good. So if I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bam.